Everyone's looking for a bungalow these days, and this one is located right at the city's edge, but on Georgian Bluffs taxes. Awesome location, 3-bedroom bungalow. Let's go check it out. So many modern updates in this house. I simply love it. So the question then is, are you ready to move where the taxes are cheap and the living is easy? I'm Shauna Bonterre with Royal LePage, your Scott McGillivray trusted agent. Let's make this your home.